It's a fact. Iron engine blocks and aluminum cylinder heads expand at different rates. And after many heat and cold cycles, well, this gradual movement can fatigue and damage head gaskets. Failed head gasket symptoms like overheating, pushing out of coolant, white exhaust smoke, or milky colored motor oil like this usually requires expensive machine shop work, parts, and labor. But there is an option. If your vehicle can idle or be driven for 15 minutes without severely overheating, Rislone has an advanced chemical formula that seals blown head gaskets, warped and cracked heads and blocks, and leaking cooling systems without a teardown. Rislone's head gasket fix is a one-step pour-in with a high-tech formula that seals without having to drain the radiator. Head gasket fix is easy to use. With the engine cold, remove the radiator cap, and depending on your cooling system capacity, pour in up to a full bottle and top off with coolant. Then start the vehicle. Turn the heater to hot and the fan to high and idle the engine for about 15 minutes. At operating temperature, ceramic gasket sealing particles thermally bond with gasket sealing fibers that perform, well, like rebar in concrete to permanently seal gaskets despite hot and cold expansion and contraction cycles. Rislone head gasket fix will do the job. And believe me, it's a much better alternative than a trip to the shop, or worse, a trip to the scrapyard.